Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to return items on Goat application. So first step is to make sure that the item is eligible for return. So Goat typically accepts returns if the item is defective, damaged, or not as described. So review Goat's return policy in the app or on their website, just like this one. So you just have to read all these, and once you're done, just tap on done. And now to do the return, just open the Goat application and then log into your account, and from here just go to your profile, tap on your orders, and from here go to purchased and select the item that you want to return, and just look for return or request return button on the order details page and just tap it. And then follow the prompts, which may ask you to select a reason for your return. So you just have to provide any additional information requested. And after you submit the return request, Goat will guide you on how to return the item. This may include printing a return shipping label, and then pack the item securely, including all original packaging and accessories if possible. And then just attach and provide shipping label to your package and just drop it off at the designated courier location as indicated in the instructions. And you can now monitor your return status directly on the Goat's application. So once Goat receives and processes your return, you receive a refund or store credit as per their policy. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!